Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sticky honey pork. So let's start cooking. Let's start the marinating process. I have with me over here 600 grams of pork loin, bones on. You can use spare ribs or prime ribs if you want to. We will start marinating now. 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a generous dash of pepper, white pepper, and mix them up well. I like to use my hand for this. Prior to me marinating this, what I've done was I used a mallet and actually tenderized the meat a little. So you can do the same if you want the meat to be tender. Once you have mixed them up well, add in 3 tablespoons of corn flour and mix them up well again. So after you have mixed them up well, put them in the fridge and let them marinate for at least 2 hours before we cook them. Okay, so the end result is like this. So we put this in the fridge and marinate them for at least 2 hours. Heat up a wok of oil and it's time to fry the pork. We're going to double fry this, so just turn the oil to medium-high heat. We'll fry this until it's about 80% cooked. How do you know when it's 80% done? When it turns light golden brown. So now you can see that it's light golden brown. I'm going to remove them from the oil and fry the rest of the pork. Once all of them are done, then I'll do the double fry at high heat. Now for the second fry, make sure that you turn up the heat high so that the oil won't be lodged inside the meat. So you're going to fry this now. This will make this very, very crispy. This time we want it to have a very nice golden brown color. So about a minute on each side. I can feel that it has crisped up very nicely. Okay, the meat are done already. We will remove them from the oil and we will make the sauce to go with the pork. Now we'll make the honey sauce. In a wok, put in approximately 1 tablespoon of oil, ginger, sliced like this, or julienne. This is half a thumb size of a ginger, fried until fragrant. 4 cloves of garlic chopped. We don't really have to brown this, we just want the fragrance to be out. Right? Once you can smell the garlic and the ginger, add in 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, mix them up well, reduce the sauce until it becomes sticky. When the liquid is reduced by half, we can put in the pork. Make sure you get every piece stirred into the sauce so that they can have this very beautiful sauce on top of the pork. Look at how beautiful this dish is. So we'll keep flipping until we have lessened the sauce. So when it's well coated like this, it's done. Time to serve this. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sticky honey pork. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.